Kani gadega Pati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Habakaran hakinong pathai kubor hadin ke jelang jong kekenhuan menteri kebelalong hene kesngi ke sau terek unailar o menteri rangba ke jela Dr. Mukul Sangma hene kesngi ulakam baki kampentrem ha ke jela kelah herba dak jing trestam jong ki bor pulen bat namar baki kenhuan ke ngatiar ha ke jela ki lakam sotho yaki kam ki balong persya ya kaan bat menta kelas dang banwan sakman ban sim kabu yaki la jingrap bak sarkar ka ai o menteri rangba ulong bak jing penyap ke jing penting yaki breu bat ki we de ki kampentrem Kimla banshan, bat kimla ru ban pun urulong ya kejing temu jungki, banyele persya ya kari de kejing le bolong bean. Menta kejela kelasakhi ya kesongsok songsan, namar kejing hiar ki kampentrem hakinik senam. Wat hakathan riluam garo kabajor kejing pentrem jung kisengking atiar hakisnam ki balala.
To withdraw from their respective organizations, come over ground, surrender before the authorities and assimilate themselves with the national mainstream by taking advantage of these government programs. So this will continue and fight against such kind of international elements still continues. But in the process, what we are saying is that Government of India has a program. So also this is supplemented by program initiated by the state government as well. Therefore, there will be little variation of amounts and obviously, therefore, there is some confusion. But these confusions can be obviously cleared once they interact with concerned authorities. There is a mechanism by which all these concerned members who belong to the disbanded organization as well as individuals who have surrendered before the authorities can always approach the authorities. There is a mechanism created already at the level of police, at the level of the SP at the respective districts, at the level of the DIG and even up to the extent of the ADG and DGP.
Banyakaran halor kejing penkre ya kejing rakhe ka sengi lai luo jongkari ne ka Independence Day ka ba nyo pho jongkari hane ka sengi ka South Rek unailar ka kanhon menteri jong sarkar jela kalasong jelang ka jelang hakani ka sengi ka penben ya ki menteri sarkar banet penher ya kalama lai rong jongkari India ha khatsan tarek mentau unailar ha ki district beper jong jela kumju hakani ka nong ba shilong ya ka ba onshim hi ya kani ka benta Dr. Mukul Sangma.